Yo yo, yo ya ya ya, yo yo, Saba Kenya, Jirture, Notis Jira, Askenyera. We are the children of the ancient ones. Oromo Kush roots still standing strong. Waka bless, we carry on. Oh yeah, we stand so strong. Oromo Rise, we sing this song. From Bishana Baya to Laga Gibbe, ancient roots like the other tree. No more chains, we break away. Gotta guide us every day. Wisdom flow from the elders' tongue. Truth and justice keep us strong. Other tree we gather round, where the spirit of the past is found. From Shawa to Alaga land, Oromo Rise, we make a stand. A richer time, we give thanks for life, for peace, for the chance. Hands in the water, hearts so pure. Got our spirit strong and sure. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the other, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. Boku high, we bless the way. Waya Ada in red, black, white. Safu guides how we talk and pray. No oppressor can take we away. Irecha shine like golden beams. Water flow in sacred streams. Oromo light make Ada gleam. Truth still rise like Gadaa's dream. From the west to the east we strong. From RC to Bali, hear the song. From Haraje to Jimma, future bright. Oromo Rise, keep Gadaa in sight. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the Oda, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. Waka bless, Oromia, we rise. Gadaa wisdom never dies. Truth still shine in the morning light. One love, one hope, one fight.